Yeah, hey guys, it's Brad here. I was just talking to a potential client yesterday about an interesting use case. I thought I would knock up a quick video showing how to build it. And so it's using MDF funds, marketing development funds. But what this client wants is they want the ability to have a whole sort of an e-commerce shopping experience. They have many marketing activities throughout the year that they'd like it's their suppliers in this case to participate in and to pay for. So I've actually just created two here. Let's see. So I've got a conference and a mail out. So the workflow that this client wants is that their suppliers can come into their partner portal. They can see the promotions available to them, which there'll be many, and they choose the ones they want, add them to a cart. So I'm just going to choose this one. Just ignore the points, it will actually be dollars. Add the cart and check out. Now what's going to happen is they're not going to take payment online though, it's just going to be effectively a quote, which will then kick off a workflow where the supplier will and the supplier will kick off a workflow. The supplier will submit their plan with all of the details of what they want from the MDF program. It'll be reviewed by the brand. If approved, it will then go through to implementation. Once the marketing activities are complete, then the client will be invoiced. So I'll just show you how I've built that. It's actually really quick and really easy. So the first thing is there is obviously a store here. This is just from a previous demo, so just ignore the consumer electronics and just imagine this is all marketing activities. So now the key thing that makes all of this hang together, just a little trick here under products. Where is it? There it is. Alright, so we've got this one here called Las Vegas Conference. And you see I've created these two promotions with the MDF funds. But it's the store obviously shows products, not promotions. So we need to be able to link a product to the promotion. And you can do that using this related item feature. This is really useful. It's where you can set it up so that when someone purchases a product, something happens. So for example, if you choose calendars, then they can be given added to an event. So it's the same as buying a ticket effectively. The vouchers app, by buying a product, they can be awarded a voucher. And what we're using here is they get an entry into the promotion. So the reason for that, the entries themselves don't actually mean anything. It's just as a way of triggering the workflow. So it just means when someone purchases this product, we're going to fire off a promotion entry event. Then we can use that in the journey designer. So I'll pop over here. So I've got my MDF journey. And as you can see, we start here, and this is the key thing. So they make a purchase, we fire the promotion entry event, this goal gets achieved. We're then going to send an email to them to ask them to submit their plan with all of their assets and content, whatever it is you require them to provide. And we then wait for a plan to be submitted, so that's a goal. Once that goal is achieved, we're then going to go into a KCRM task-based workflow. We're going to create a task for an administrator to review the plan and approve it. Obviously, you would have a reject workflow as well, which I've skipped here. If you choose approved, it's going to actually mark it as approved. Then create a task to implement the activities. Once that's complete, then create a task to invoice them, and then set a goal to wait for that invoice to be paid. So we're using stages all along the way, so we can track and manage all of these in KCRM. So if I just jump over here to KCRM, so this is where the administrators would look after this, so the brand, and this is obviously the participant experience. So what I'll do right now is let's go and make a purchase. So I'm going to say, right, Las Vegas conference. Perhaps I want to, we're offering a stall or co-branding or something. So I'd say, yep, I would like that. I'm going to just update my details and submit the order. Right, so at that point, the system will have emailed me, and that'll come through. That's come through off screen. So I'm just going to click the link. It's asking me to go and submit here. And oops, I left some. Right, okay, so user's just going to pop in, again, whatever information it is that you require from them. I'm going to upload an image and some text. Okay, so as the supplier, I've now submitted that. So here on the administrator's view, so actually prior to them doing that, they would have seen it in this first stage. They've submitted that, so it's come through to here, client submitted plan. There's a task to approve it. So I'm going to click on here. I can see all the details and hit approved if I do actually approve it. And pop back here, and you can see that has moved through to the execution phase. So I'll now do all of the things that we said we'll do. We'll either go to the conference in Las Vegas or do the Christmas mail out, whatever it is. And then once that's done, I will mark that off. So you see now that's come through here to the invoicing step. Right now this could actually be automated. Just take a little more effort than I've got time for today. But and you can actually create invoices and quotes and things right here in KCRM and send them. And that you can see has gone through to the final stage, which is waiting for payment. So I'm assuming here in the Journey Designer that if Kademi invoicing is used, then you can actually wait for that to be that goal to be achieved, because that'll be triggered automatically. Right, so that is that's that. So obviously I've skipped over a few things here, just a really quick demonstration of how that can all come together. There's a lot of flexibility there. For example, you may want to use DocuSign in here so that you're getting the sort of a contractual commitment from the supplier to actually pay for this, and that's just a matter of dropping in one of these nodes to send the contract for signing, and then set a goal for it to be achieved once it is sent. Cool. Look, I hope this has shed some light on some options for how to configure programs like this, and just reach out, get in touch with us if you have any questions.